stuff. So.
Please welcome Opel CEO Florian Huettl.
Good morning. Good morning, dear guests, and welcome to Opel. 2025 was a great year for Opel with plenty of highlights. We brought 3 new models to the market: the all-new Frontera, the all-new Grandland, and the new Mokka. These launches have considerably strengthened our offer in the all-important B and C SUV segments. The new Frontera is a real family car, rugged, spacious, offering great packaging, up to 7 seats, and lots of value for money. Thanks to these attributes, it already proves highly popular today. It allows many customers to switch to electromobility. 1 out of 3 Frontera is battery electric. The all-new Grandland is our top-of-the-line SUV, designed, engineered, and made in Germany. It is the first Opel with electric all-wheel drive and comes with a wide range of powertrains, including a battery range of almost 700 kilometers. And here again, we can see that more and more customers are going electric thanks to this exciting offer. Currently, 1 out of 3 new Grandland sales are electric. And finally, the new Mokka continues to turn heads and wins over new fans as our brand icon in the small SUV segment. Our new and complete SUV portfolio perfectly addresses the needs of our customers. At the same time, the Corsa, our perennial bestseller, was once again the most popular small car in Germany for the 5th year in a row. It has also reached the top spot in the UK, our second home market. Since the introduction of the Corsa in 1982, almost 15 million units of this hugely popular car have been produced. As a convincing small car that meets the needs of our customers, it has been performing at a consistently high level in the last years. With 3 new SUVs and our bestsellers performing consistently, the results are visible. In the second half of 2025, our global sales have increased over last year, and our market share has also increased in the last quarter. And 2026 will be even more exciting. This year, we will build on the foundations that we laid in 2025, and we will continue to launch new and exciting models at the heart of the market. We chose our brand icon, the Mokka, to take our high-performance GSE brand to the next level. Recently, we presented the Mokka GSE rally car. It's the world's first rally car that has been developed according to the FIA's new E-Rally 5 regulations. With 280 full electric horsepower, it will make the competition even more exciting. And at the same time, we took all of our motorsport knowledge and brought this exciting rally car to the road. The Mokka GSE is our first fully electric, high-performance GSE model and takes driving pleasure to the max. It also offers the right level of everyday usability customers expect from an Opel. All of this was recognized by the German Golden Steering Wheel jury, who named the Mokka GSE the best small car of 2025. The Mokka GSE arrives at Opel dealerships this month, and I can already promise that it will not remain the only fully electric performance model by Opel for very long. At the same time, our Corsa GSE Vision Gran Turismo takes GSE to the extreme. Our first phygital concept car not only impresses with its stunning design, it can also be experienced in one of the world's premier driving simulators. The Corsa GSE Vision Gran Turismo shows our commitment to the small car segment and to exciting, high-performance Opel GSE models. Ladies and gentlemen, after the Mokka GSE, let me come to our world premiere of today, the next step in Opel's 90-year compact car history. A model that once again brings innovative features to the segment and further strengthens our lineup. To unveil our new Astra jointly with me, I would like to ask our Vice President Marketing, Rebecca Reinermann, to join me on stage. Please welcome Rebecca. Hi, Rebecca. Good morning.
Hi, Florian. Good morning, everybody.
So, Rebecca, shall we unveil the new Astra?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Here's the new Astra.
Here it is.
So here it is, our new Opel Astra. And I'm sure you will agree, the new Astra and the Astra Sports Tourer looks stunning. And now, Rebecca, over to you for the details.
Thank you, Florian. Florian is absolutely right. The new Astra is stunning, and I'm delighted to be here to tell you a little bit more about both the elegant hatchback and the spacious yet sleek sports tourer. Astra has always been a great-looking car, so we've been careful to retain the overall design that has appealed to our customers and excited numerous design award juries over the years. What's new is the latest interpretation of the Opel visor. If it looks familiar, that's no accident. It is a design cue of our most recent concept car. Before I walk you around the interior, I want to pick out one other detail. No exterior chrome details. This is an important step on our sustainability journey, and it brings me neatly to the interior. The cabin really oozes a sense of enhanced roominess and light. The seats are made from 100% recycled materials. We call it Renew-Knit. But what about comfort? Our highly acclaimed patented Intelli seats are standard on all trims. All I say to this, long journeys transformed. And once you've tried these seats, you don't want to go back. Aside from that, our designers in Rüsselsheim have further optimized the cockpit. It's even cleaner and more pleasingly tactile thanks to the silky smooth satin gray finish. The permanently illuminated Opel Blitz forms a dramatic centerpiece of the compass, an LED lighting signature that isn't just an industry first, it is also a face to remember. There are many new features, far too many for me to talk about in these short few minutes. But I do want to pick out our Intelli-Lux HD headlights. Developed by our engineering team in Rüsselsheim, these truly innovative headlights consist of 50,000 sensor-activated pixel elements. They respond in real time to nighttime road conditions. The road ahead, traffic signs, obstacles, pedestrians are all lit up with breathtaking precision and without dazzling other drivers. This is an advanced feature for this segment. Let's talk about our beautiful sports tourer for a moment. And because you just can't miss it, I'm going to start with the new clover green body color that you can see here. It has a fantastic depth, ranging from rich, vibrant hues to deeper, more sophisticated tones. I think it perfectly supports the elegant form of the car. Our sports tourer is not just elegant, it has a huge boot. If you fold the rear seats flat, you can transport anything from flat pack furniture, skis, you name it. It's just so versatile. All of this comes with a great choice of powertrain, offering our customers a choice between efficient internal combustion engines, a 48-volt hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, and a fully electric version, now with a range of 454 kilometers according WLTP. In addition, all fully electric vehicles come with an 8-year warranty as part of our electric all-in program. So let me wrap up by saying, with 6 generations and over 13 million units sold, Astra is an Opel foundation. And this latest iteration represents a strong continuation of our success in the compact car segment. Why? Because it represents the best of Opel expertise in all areas. But most of all, because it's designed, developed, built in Rüsselsheim, Germany, with precision, purpose, and pride. And with that, back to you, Florian.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Rebecca. Dear members of the media, In 2025, Opel has laid the foundations for growth with our new SUV portfolio. We have enlarged our offer by adding all-electric models with increased ranges, electric all-wheel drive, and exciting performance models. Established models like the Corsa perform at a consistently high level, and we are adding new excitement to the compact segment with our world premiere here in Brussels, the new Astra and the Astra Sports Tourer. And with our fresh and exciting portfolio, we are looking forward to a successful and exciting 2026 for the Opel brand. Thank you for your attention. Super.